Let's make a kid-friendly omurice. We'll be starting off with some washed rice and water and adding 5 grams of consomme powder into this pot. Next, I'm adding half a tablespoon of garlic paste, followed by 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. After mixing everything well together, we can begin to add in our toppings, and here I'm using some bacon and onions. Now I'm just mixing it gently to combine everything together. Now it's ready for the rice cooker, so just use your usual settings for this. While the rice is cooking, you can fry some omelettes to cover the omurice with, and also cook some of the side dishes that you'll be using. My kids just had some sides of cherry tomatoes and arabiki sausage. Once you're done with the plating, we can start decorating our omurices. So here I'm just using a squeezy ketchup bottle to draw some smiley faces for my kids. And we're done! Hope you enjoyed!